Hi everyone. So for today's video, we are going to focus on Java 8 features. So for Java 8, there is a one feature stream API. So today we are going to solve some problems based on that only. Java 8 is now a base. Everyone should know about it because the basic requirement for every company is Java 8. Some of the companies are now migrating to Java 11 and 17, but Java 8 is having so many new features and it's very easy and it helps you in coding a lot. So let's start today. So first, let me add the input list of integer. I'm using an integer here, but it depends on you. You can use a string or whatever you want to use. So if you will see here, you can see I have created an unsorted array with duplicate elements. So first we will write the code to sort this array. So that will be list of teacher. Let's give the name as result, and on the input list I am going to perform stream operations. So there is a one method we can use in stream, that is sorted. It will sort your array in an alphabetical order or in ascending order. But if you actually want to uh, perform some customized sorting, that time you have to write your own method, and that time also you can use it, but you have to use the comparator for this, and then you can write your customized sorting. For example, you want to sort your employees based on the ID, or based on the salary. So these things you can perform, but by using this stream you don't have to write the multiple lines of codes. You don't have to use the multiple loops there. In a one line you can perform this operation. So let me print this one. So now in the output I should get a sorted array. Yes, we can see we are getting a sorted array. Now we want to find the distinct element. For example, I can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements are there. But if I say the distinct element, then only 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Only 6 distinct elements are there. 2 and 7 is duplicate here. So when I'll write the code for finding the distinct element, so I should get the whatever the unique elements are there, not uh, the duplicate ones, right? Like for example, if 4 is coming for 2 times, then it should come as a 1 only. So let's find the distinct elements. So I'm going to use a list 2 here, and we can use distinct. There is also a one distinct operation of Java it is stream API. Let me print this one also. Okay, give result 2. Oh, let's give result 1. So you can see it is coming as 1, 3, 2, but it is not coming as a sorted, right? So if you want to, because we are performing this operation on an unsorted array, right? So unsorted list. So if you want to find the sorted list, so that time you should use this one because this is a sorted list. So if I will use this one, see, now we are getting the out as a sorted list. Sorry if I'm saying array. It's because of habit. I think it is coming as, but yeah, here we are taking list. Okay, so now the thing is I have to find the duplicate elements in a list. So let's use this one and that will be result 2. We are going to use a sorted array, sorted list only. Okay. So now I have to filter it, right? Uh, from the list of integer, I want to filter the duplicate elements. So there is a filter method is there I can use. So in this filter, I have to write my own logic, like how I want to filter it, on what basis I want to filter it. For example, for every element, I want to filter. Uh, I want to find for a duplicate, right? So for collections dot frequency. So for the collections, there's a one method is there. So which we can use to find out the occurrence of any element in a list. What we want to know? We want to find the element whose like which occurrence which is having a occurrence more than one, right? So what it will do? It will actually um, find here we whatever the logic we have written, it will find in the result one. It is the sorted list, so it will find if that element is having more than one occurrence or not. If it is having one occurrence, then only it will put it in a list, otherwise it will not. Also, one catch is there, we cannot use a list because in list we can insert duplicate elements. For example, I am taking 2 here. So if 2 will come, it is having more than one occurrence, right? So it will insert that in a 2. But when the again 2 will come, it will again insert it. So it will insert it multiple times. But we want it to insert only once. So for that we have to use set, because set have this functionality that you cannot insert duplicate elements in that. In the list you can insert. If you guys don't know, you have to uh, read for the set and list difference, so you can know where we have to use set or where we have to use list. They both have their disadvantage and advantage, so you should know. Even you can check for the vector also, it will be helpful. So that will be set. Now let's print the output. Why it is giving is null? Okay, I gave the result. This the sorted stream. Okay, sorry. Here I gave the wrong one. If I'm using a result, then I should use a result one here also. Yes, now we are getting. So 2, 7 is the duplicate elements we are having. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 are the distinct elements which we are having. And this is the sorted list. So like this, you can solve your problems. Now, if you will see, these three operations are performed in a three lines only. If you will use a loops method, that will take like more lines and that will be more complicated, or it will take some time to write a logic, and it's not good because when you are going to solve a big problems, complex problems, so that time you cannot just write in loops, and you want everything to done quickly, so that time it will be helpful. Okay, so this was our today's problem. So I hope you guys will like it and that will be helpful for you. And if you have like some questions regarding this, you can always comment in the in the comment section. Also, please like and subscribe our videos so that we can come up with more problems to help you guys for the company's interviews, or uh, in technical problems we can help. So thanks guys.